Hello, this is Mr. Painter with VolumeOfCylinderQuizzette for week number 5. Alrighty. Tuesday. What is the volume of this cylinder? So notice in this particular cylinder we have the numbers of 3 meters and 2 meters. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and take your pencil and annotate that. So in order to annotate it, we're just going to go ahead and circle them. Alright, so we have to do something with those two numbers and figure out what the volume is. So go ahead and circle volume too. Okay, the volume is the key word here because it's asking us to find the volume of this cylinder. So notice that volume and cylinder will go together here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and write down the following formula. We got volume equals pi times radius to the second power times h. Alright, so let's do this. We got volume equals, now if I remember correctly, pi is going to be 3.14 times, now they're asking for a radius. They're asking for a radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and annotate radius here in yellow. And the radius comes from this dotted line here with the 3 meters. So again, radius comes from that dotted line there. So radius is going to be 3 to the second power. So notice here that that second power just comes straight down, and that R value is just that 3 there. Alright, and common sense here, the height is how tall an object is. So in this case, this object here is 2 meters tall, so we're just going to bring that 2 down for h. So multiply 2. And if it helps you out, we can just go ahead and call the height blue there, and notice that height will go with that too. Alright, so this is actually pretty easy. It's just a math problem here at the end. We're just going to go ahead and work it out. So we got volume equals, we need to go ahead and work out the exponents first. So 3 to the second power becomes 9. So again, exponents first. And everything else, just leave it alone. So we got times 2 and bring down 3.14. And I'm going to make a note here. So exponents first. Okay, so we did the exponents. Yeah, we need a multiplication sign there between the pi and the 9. Alright. And our next step is to multiply. Alright, multiply. Now you're probably wondering, oh man, Ms. Painter, I really just don't want to multiply the 3.14 times 9 times 2. It is okay to use a calculator this year and work these out. Okay, so again, you may use a calculator and work it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump on my calculator right now and work out 9 times 3.14. So that's 9 times 3.14. And on my calculator, it shows up as being 28.26. 28.26 times 2. Alright, so notice here I've only done these two right here. So 3.14 times 9. And my last step here is to go ahead and finish this out. So I got to take 28.26. So again, 28.26 multiplied times 2. And that's going to go ahead and give me a total volume of 56.52. And don't forget your units. Your units here were from in meters. Okay, these represent meters. Okay, and when we talk about volume, we put it in the third form. So that is 56.2 meters to the third power will represent the volume. So again, volume is always to the third power.